So the first thing we have to do to make our cheese corn is to put in the 5 gallons of freshly popped mushroom popcorn. And then we are going to add 3 cups of liquid cheese. And this is kind of how it's done. There's a thin string of cheese on your popcorn. And the popcorn will absorb the cheese and spread it onto each other kernel in this popcorn tumbler here. And this is the proper way to make Chicago style cheese corn. You want to use 3 cups of cheese. If you use anything less, it's not really Chicago style, because Chicago people want lots of cheese. So if you use like 2 cups and you try to skimp, your customers are going to know, because it won't be fully coated. This is a high quality liquid cheddar cheese that we buy from Gold Medal. It's $250 for a 30-pound bucket. So it's not a cheap product, which is why the cheese corn is usually a little bit higher. You know, we have to charge a fair price so we can make a profit and put our son through college. This is a business. We're not trying to do free popcorn, but we are trying to do the highest quality popcorn that we possibly can. And so this is the way that we have found to make amazing cheese corn. And this is the same cheese corn that we mix with our caramel to make the cheese and caramel mix. That's on our website. And all the cheese flavors start this way, and then we add flavorings to get the different flavors. And you can see all those savory cheese flavors on our website. But hopefully you enjoyed this little glimpse into how cheese corn is made. And this is how we make it, 5 gallons at a time. And it's kind of a labor-intensive process, but to make it right, this is really the way you should do it. And then we let it tumble for another 4 or 5 minutes until that cheese soaks in, spreads around all the kernels, and dries out a little bit. You don't want to bag wet cheese corn, because then you end up with a soggy corn. Some of that moisture does evaporate as it's tumbling, and some of it soaks into the popcorn. Okay, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that process, and please visit us at remschneiderkettlecorn.com. Thank you.